Click of your mouse can help a Boca Raton organization limit child pornography. The Child Rescue Coalition uses software to track who is downloading and sharing child pornography around the world. Now its director is in competition to win $25,000. Carly Yost says all the money would allow her team to train 100 more law enforcement officers.
So what we do is push these leads to investigators all over the world to see who in their jurisdiction is the worst of the worst offenders.
You have until Friday to vote for Yost and the Child Rescue Coalition. It's all part of L'Oreal's Women of Worth competition. We have a link for you to vote under the As Seen on 5 tab at WPTV.com.